Today is Wednesday, September 25th. This is a 1965 Cadillac DeVille Climate Comfort Controller. It's actually the Comfort Controller, as this climate designation was not introduced until 67. But there's 4 different variants along the model years from 65 to 66, transitioning ultimately into 67. As far as the 65 is concerned, we want to discuss about the DeVille and the Eldorado variants, meaning we have the 4+1 versus the 3+1 switch connector. Okay, and then we have a plurality of different electrical boards in this particular configuration, which is for highly optioned DeVilles and standard for the Eldorados. We have the 3+2 diode circuit board. Okay, and these come in a 2+1, a 2+2, the 3+2, and the 1+1. So this is the highly optioned 3+2 configuration circuit board for the 65-66 DeVilles. Standard on the Eldorados, 3+2. Okay, as they are not interchangeable. And then we have the 4+1 as opposed to the 3+2 switch connector. Okay, today is Wednesday, September 25th. This is George in Florida. In this particular instance, what we have is a configured 3+2 electrical board and a 4+1 switchable circuit board. Switch, excuse me. Today is Wednesday, September 25th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage products from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, including the restoration of the in-dash comfort or climate controllers, as well as the power servos, both singular and duplex, and in the later generations, the AC programmable controller. Today is Wednesday, September 25th. Thank you very kindly.